10th Air Force, and today we are all gathered here to perform an activity on mock parliament. Parliament Day is celebrated on 30th June every year. So basically it's a scheme being run by the ministry to create awareness among the youth of our nation about working and functioning of Parliament of India, so that at least they can get insight and ultimately they can later populate the same among others. So let's begin the procedure of Lok Sabha.
माननीय अध्यक्ष महोदया अराइना शर्मा बता रही हैं।
कृपया अपना स्थान ग्रहण करें। माननीय सभासदों, आप सभी का सदन के मॉनसून सत्र में स्वागत है। मैं आशा करती हूँ कि इस सत्र का निष्कर्ष फलदायी होगा। इस सत्र में हम राष्ट्र से संबंधित अनेक विषयों पर विचार विमर्श करेंगे व कई समस्याओं के हल करेंगे। आज की प्रथम कार्यवाही होगी प्रधानमंत्री का शपथ ग्रहण समारोह। सेक्रेटरी जनरल
Elected from XYZ parliamentary constituencies, please come on the stage for oath ceremony. आप अपनी शपथ ग्रहण हिंदी में करना चाहेंगे कि इंग्लिश में?
हिंदी।
मैं ध्रुव शर्मा, जो युवा संसद की लोकसभा का सदस्य निर्वाचित हुआ हूँ, ईश्वर की शपथ लेता हूँ कि मैं विधि द्वारा स्थापित भारत के संविधान के प्रति सच्ची श्रद्धा और निष्ठा रखूंगा, देश की प्रभुता और एकता बनाए रखूंगा तथा जिस पद को मैं ग्रहण करने वाला हूँ उसके कर्तव्यों का श्रद्धापूर्वक निर्वहन करूंगा। धन्यवाद।
शुभम कुमार, having been elected member of the House of People, do swear in the name of God, affirm that I will bear true faith to the Constitution of India as by law established. I will uphold the integrity of India and I will faithfully discharge the duty. Thanks.
Number 2, Ms. Vanchika Sharma, please stand up and ask your question.
Honorable Speaker, my question is from Science and Technology Minister, that how does the technology help farmers in making their work easy?
You may sit now. Now, Science and Technology Minister, Ms. Manat Thapar, please answer the question.
Honorable Speaker, I want to tell them that technology has helped farmers in farming as increasing crop production to reducing water, fertilizers, pesticides, HYV seeds, modern farming method and many more ways to improve farming condition for farmers. Since Green Revolution, farming has rapidly increased. Technology has helped farmers as from past few years, farming has improved much. Farmers' workload has been reduced and high crop productivity have been boosted by technology.
Please take your seat. Now, question.
Many programs such as Energy Conservation Building Code, commonly known as ECBs. This sets
Ms. Rashi, please stand up and ask your question.
Honorable Speaker, my question is from the Defence Minister. That, what do you think about the policy of Agniveer?
Now, Minister of Defence, Mr. Anshuman Rajput, please stand up and answer the question.
अग्निवीर योजना के तहत 25% युवाओं को 4 साल के बाद सेना में शामिल कर लिया जाएगा, लेकिन शेष 75% को हटा दिया जाएगा। इस पर पूरे देश में दंगे हुए, परंतु यह योजना के तहत अग्निवीरों को कई लाभ भी प्राप्त होंगे।
अक्षत शर्मा खड़े होकर अपना प्रश्न पूछें।
Honorable Speaker, my question is from the Sports Minister.
My question is from the Minister of Personal Development and Pension. Why is that retired people have to take up jobs after retirement?
You can sit now. Minister of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pension, Mr. Arsh Dhaman, please stand up and answer the question.
Honorable Speaker,
Honorable Speaker, I want to tell them that as the Minister of Personal Public Grievance, we are trying to give set amount of pensions to the people who are above the age of 60 and to other government employees. In Himachal, Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh, West Bengal, government gave the pension in these states to government employees and poor people. And central government is also trying to give pension in another states also. So people can live their life without any tension after their retirement. We are unable because the budget is not setting properly. Thank you.
Question number 12. Opposition Leader Ms. Devanshi Sharma, present your question in the House.
Honorable Speaker, I would like to ask my question from Prime Minister. What are the steps taken by the government for welfare of common people?
Please be seated. Prime Minister Mr. Dhruv Sharma, please answer the question of the opposition leader.
Honorable Speaker, we are establishing new policies for poor and needy for their upliftment in their social and financial life, forming new and strict laws for the criminals, better job opportunities to backward classes. To uplift our country, we are trying to establishing new education and farming policies.
Please take your seat. The House is adjourned for today. Thank you.